Hello people of the world, this is Captain's coming in from Florida today, and we've been watching Wimbledon, tennis championship or whatever, and right now they're on, I'll go in there in a second. Well, I'll have to make a separate video because I'm on the inner camera, and it's difficult to know if, yeah, so, anyway, it's Federer against, Murray, and Murray is winning because Federer is sucking today. Switzerland, go Switzerland! And I've been working out lately. I've been starting to work out every night with my aunt and uncle. Sorry, I have a pimple growing on my face. So I just took a shower. It's rubbing away. I feel like a horse. Whoa, is that really what it looks like in the camera? That is awesome. Wait, let me do it one more time. No, I didn't do it. That's awesome. Let me try one more time. I'm getting spit all over my camera. Alright, so subscribe, view what you're doing right now, like, watch Wimbledon, do the horse voice. And I will see you guys later. Goodbye.